Good morning, my YouTube viewers. It is Crystal here, and I wanted to make you another video on Visual Basic. I'm actually studying Visual Basic at the moment because I had something to do in Excel and my day job, and I would like to be able to automate it. And since I would like to be able to automate it, what I want to do is study VBA and automate it with VBA. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to create a greeting, hello world, in all of the 56 colors that are in the color index of VBA. So the first thing that we want to do, you can see that we've got it now. But what we'll do is we'll clear the contents. Clear contents and make it blank. And we'll go ahead and delete that. So we deleted that. So now we've got a blank sheet. But what we're going to do is in the Developer tab of the ribbon, what we're going to do is we're going to look at our macros and we're going to go up to Hello World 3 because this is a macro that I've made Hello World 3 and we're going to run it. So you can see we've got the numbers 1 to 56 and you've got Hello World and the colors 1 to 56. And then I've got the colors in a cell just in case you can't make out the colors in the cell and make out Hello World. You can look at the colors in the cell. And so you can see we go all the way down to 1 to 56. And you can see that we've got 56 Hello Worlds in a different color. So we did that as a macro and we wrote it in Visual Basic. So we click on over here to the Visual Basic icon, and in the Visual Basic icon, you come over here to Hello World 3, and in Hello World 3 you can see the subprogram that I have written, which obviously I'm taking a course in VBA, so I learned how to do this in the VBA course that I'm taking. I will say that the VBA course is a little bit long. It's an 11-hour video, and they go over lots of things, and I don't know about you, but I find it difficult to sit and go through a course, you know, a whole 11-hour course, but I try to do 1 hour of the video every day. And yesterday I tried to do 2 hours because yesterday was a Saturday. And whenever I'm going through the course, I try to find neat things that I can make a video on. So this is one of the neat things that I can make the video on. So this is the subroutine that I have created. It's called Sub Hello World 3, dim as x as integer. So that means we're going to define x as an integer, dim greeting as string. So we're going to define greeting as a string. Greeting equals hello world. And then now what we're doing is we're doing a for loop, which is neat. I'm really fascinated. I'm really glad that I'm finally getting into for loops. For x equals 1 to 56, step 1. And I didn't have to put step in there. But like if you're going to skip it, like step 2 or step 3, then you would have to put step in there. But I decided just for the purpose of this video and the purpose of this subroutine, I would go ahead and say step 1. So if it's step 1, you don't have to put step 1. But if it's step 2 or step 3 or step 4, you have to put step. But I put step 1 in there anyway. So cells brackets x comma 1 equals x. So that means cells column 1, row 1 equals x. Cells x brackets x comma 2 equals greetings. So that cells column, no, sorry, I got that. Cells x comma 1 equals x. So that cells row 1 column 1 equals x. So that's going to give you a number. Cells x comma 2 equals greeting. So that means cells row 1 column 2 equals greeting. Cells x comma 2 dot font dot bold equals true. That means that I embolden the greeting. Cells x comma 2 dot font dot color index equals x. So there's 56 colors in the color index. And cells brackets x comma 3 dot interior dot color index equals x. So that means row 1 comma column 3 is going to shade the color as x. And then you, after the for loop, after you complete that sequence, you enter next. And what next does, next will go through the for loop from 1 to 56. So you get all 56 colors. So that's a good thing to do, because if you're not sure about the colors, you're not sure what color you want to use, you can use this hello world greeting. And then that will tell you what the color index is, so you know what color that you're using. And then you do inside. So that's the subroutine. So if you want to, we're not going to run it again because we already ran it once. But if you want to go back into the Excel screen, then you can see what we've done. You can see that you've got Hello World in 56 different colors. And so you can pick the color that you would like. Go back to Visual Basic. So under modules, if you want to create a module, then you double click on modules and then you click on insert and then you click on module, and that's how you create a new module. And then you come over here, module, Hello World 3. And so you can come over here and you can type in the name of the subroutine here where it says alphabetic categorized. And then you can type in the name of the module, which is Hello World 3. So that concludes this video where you can type a greeting in 56 different colors, and it gives you an idea of how to use the color index. And so you can select 56 different colors for your Excel spreadsheet. So I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. And I look forward to making more videos for you on VBA and Python and other technical subjects in the very near future.